Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Jen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys just a quick cleaning of my house and taking down my Christmas decor. I already took all the ornaments and stuff off the tree there. I have them kind of organized on the floor there. I just have to take off the lights and then take the tree out. It is a real tree, so needles are like everywhere, which I'll get cleaned up. Then I have all these totes here that I just have to go through. I'm going to kind of get rid of stuff that I didn't use this year and rearrange the bins and then get them in the attic. But I'm going to go ahead. The house isn't too bad, but I'm going to get my bedding washed here and then just kind of go through and get everything wiped down in my room and get the Christmas decor all out in the dining room and then get it all packed up and cleaned up. So I wanted to bring you guys along. I hope you guys get some cleaning motivation out of this. And if you like videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That definitely helps me out. And subscribe if you aren't already, because I would love to have you as part of the YouTube fam. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get cleaning.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, I so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, I so high, stay. We don't need to go
And here I just have all of my picks and ornaments arranged in like certain colors and themes. And then I just have these jumbo Ziploc bags, and that's how I separate each of them. Put them in there, and then I'll put them in a Tupperware. And then all my special ornaments or breakable ones, I have this red plastic bin that I organize them in. And this system seems to work awesome for me. This is like the 3rd year I've done it this way, and it works out really good. And it makes it easy when you pull out whatever you want to decorate with, whatever theme you want to go for, because I have different colors and I switch it up sometimes. So this way, if I just want all the red picks or white, silver, whatever, I can just pull out each bag and I have all the stuff going with that set already separated. So it just makes cleanup easy for this year and unpacking and decorating for next year really easy.
Don't tell me that it's over. Never say that I can't relate. I still wanna come over, 'cause I know that it's not too late. Too late, too late, too late, too late. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the love that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it, I'm gonna revive it. Come now, give me a moment, 'cause you know about the place I'm from. Let me in, let me show it, all the things that we can become. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the love that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it, I'm gonna revive it. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it, I'm gonna revive it. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it, 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 I'm gonna revive it.
All right, and this is the next morning. I'm just doing the finishing touches here. I got everything put up in the attic, or my husband actually did the night before. He put everything up in the attic for me, so I'm just going over and wiping everything down, and that will conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.